If you are anything like me and trying to start a new business on 2024, this is the video for you. With any fancy degree or any special talent and you just want to make 10K per month, I got you back. Amazon FBA, it has grown tremendously in the past years. So there are 4 things that goes into building a successful Amazon FBA business. The first is your product, second your analysis, the third your supplier, and the fourth, which is scaling your business. Without a good product, it's pretty much impossible to find success on Amazon FBA, but thankfully there are thousands of good products out there. When we are looking for a product, there are 3 types of products. The first one is product arbitrage, which is basically you buy a product from a retail store and you sell it on Amazon. The second is wholesale products. These are products that you can buy for authorized wholesalers or the brand direct on bulks. And the third type is product private label, which is one of my favorites. And this is building a long-term brand in a business. The next thing is product category. The most important thing when you're searching up products is to have good profit margin. Also keep in mind there's a lot of calculators out there that can help you to make these numbers easier for you. Now, when it comes to sell products on private label, you want to go and use the block box from Helium 10. And this tool is amazing if you want to build a long-term brand. So this for me, honestly speaking, has been a game changer because it gave me so much data about so many products out there. So if you really want to start selling on Amazon and you want to take this serious, I highly recommend you to get it. Also, if you're starting, it's very important to get in a niche where you don't have a lot of competitors because you don't want to compete with the big dogs, right? Also, another thing that's very important is when you're searching for a product, try to find something what is lightweight, because the heavier the product, the heavier our Amazon fees. So every product that you find, you want to make sure this product actually sells. This is where analysis comes in. Every single product has a bestseller rank, and on this you're always going to make sure that it's below 100,000. The lower the BSR, the more the product is selling, and the higher the BSR, the lower products is selling. Also, another thing that you must take in consideration is that you're not selling a seasonal product, and a good way to understand this is to use product keywords. My favorite, again, Helium 10, and also maybe check on Google Trends. Now, another important thing is to find a good supplier, and it can be a struggle, especially if you're sourcing products from China and Alibaba. It's important to take time to find a good supplier, order samples, and just take it from there. Best way to find supplier, it's obviously Alibaba, Google, and trade shows. And then the last but not least is product scaling. And this is where most of the people get stuck, and that's because it's literally one person doing literally everything. Also, another thing that's important is to keep investing your profit into scaling your business, meaning buying more products, etc., etc. And another thing that I feel like is super important is just try to learn as much as possible, try to find a mentor, and just take it from there. And I wish you all the best.